Odhiambo.
Jo bodaboda okwedo mokalo paro mar chik matayo sektano mar bodaboda mabendo ng'ere kaka Public Transport Motorcycle Regulation Bill, kagiwacho ni kaponi od bura mamalo biro kalo chikno to mano biro miyo giyudo lal mathoth e yuto magi. Riwruok ma jo bodaboda e pacho kae okwedo chikno e kinde mabende ne gichopo e nyim komiti mar wuoth kata mochung'ne weche mag wuoth e od bura mar Senate.
We humbly pray that the National Assembly reject the Public Transport Motorcycle Bill 2023 in its entirety, initiate a stakeholder-driven process led by the relevant departmental committee to review and strengthen the existing Traffic Act and the NTSA Act to address any identifiable gaps in motorcycle transport regulation. The Public Transport Motorcycle Regulation Bill 2023 is a classic case of a solution in search of a problem. It is a misguided attempt at regulation that ignores existing laws and institutions. Its enactment will lead to regulatory chaos, increased costs for operators, and avenue for corruption.